Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you know what I have today to tell you, how to contour your nose without using any kind of brush. So mostly girls क्या करती हैं, nose contouring करना भूल ही जाती हैं, उसको बिल्कुल ignore करती हैं, but that is a very important part for your makeup look. So today I'm going to use this Flormar palette. It's 4-in-1. It's very good palette. So I'm going to use this color nose contour. So I'm only using my 2 fingers. I'm grabbing this only little bit and on my thumb like that. So now take a mirror. Just you can, if you don't know from where you can start contouring your nose, you can just press your eyebrow here like that, you see, just like that, and then go like that. So now after that you can just blend it.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end it doesn't even
Highlighter, take the highlighter and put it in the middle, and again you can shape up your nose and you see the difference. I hope you like my videos, you like my suggestion, you like my contouring hack. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.